If you had told me 5 years ago that I would be building one of these, I would have told you you're nuts, and I'm not that crazy. I built a catio. Hi, I'm Jenny from Refresh Living, and after we lost our dogs a couple years ago, we decided to get 2 cats. And they turned out to be okay, and I liked them enough that I decided to build them an outdoor area, a cat patio, which I learned the new word is called a catio. It was super easy to do. My cats are very happy, and I'm going to show you how I did that project now. To build the catio, I started by building a base. I made this out of 2x4 ground treated boards, and then I attached 1x4 boards that are also treated wood on top. And I just attached those boards by screwing in through those boards right into the 2x4. This is the place, obviously, where the cats are going to be able to stand, and also where all of the side panels are going to be screwed into. For the exact measurements that I used to build my panels, and actually to build the whole catio, you can head to the link that I'll link in the video and also in the description. It gives the exact measurements I used for mine. Mine was built based on where the window was in our backyard, so you may have to make some modifications based on the access window you're going to use for your cats to get out into their catio. All right, so to build the panels, I simply used 2x2, again, treated lumber, screwed them together at the corners. After that, I attached the back panel to the base of the catio and to the wall in 2 places. You can see I kept this back panel open because it's flush to the exterior wall, so the cats can't get out of the catio through that way, and then they can still enter in through the window. After attaching that, I then had to attach wire mesh to the side and front panels. I just did this with an electric stapler, but you could use just a handheld stapler as well. Next up is putting it all together. So the side panels are screwed into the back panel and into the base of the catio. I just used 2-inch exterior deck screws to screw into those, all of those places. The front panel is then screwed into the side panels and also to the base of the catio there. I decided to go with an easy to build roof here without any crazy angles. So to do that, the back of the catio is about 2 inches taller than the front. And this allows for a slight pitch in the roof. Then I just attached 1x2 boards to the front and back panels. And from there, I could screw in the corrugated roofing. And to do that, I just used galvanized roof screws that have a little washer that allow for water not to run in. And that's about it. It was a super easy build and didn't take too much time, and my cats absolutely love having access to the outside area. I'll link the specific products I used in this video in the description. And then I'm also putting a link to my blog, which has the specific dimensions I used and the cut list I used for my catio. Thanks so much for watching.